Hello traders. I hope guys you had a wonderful day today. Today is 29th of September, Wednesday 2021. As always, I would like to show you how I analyze market and help my traders to bank amazing profit and the best trade of the day. Sorry guys, I haven't uploaded yesterday analysis. We were busy banking pips. We had amazing trades even yesterday. Let me share with you today and the yesterday analysis and how my traders bank amazing profit through live intraday analysis. Let's dig into the system and let me share with you the best trade of the day as well. And if you don't want to miss my latest analysis update review, feel free to subscribe this channel. Let's dig into the three major currency pair, EURUSD, pound dollar, and the dollar CAD. If you look at the EURUSD in 4-hour chart, we had this pattern, and we have taken this breakout pattern. Beautiful. After this bearish engulfing candle, we are keep taking a pullback short trade here. Some of the traders are still holding short trade because I finished my trading day. So let's see. Let me share with you guys how I analyze market. We had this consolidation, if you can see it. So we have this breakout in intraday and we're still holding short trades. And let me share with you the intraday analysis, how I analyze market. And if you look at the yesterday analysis, we have this breakout, sideways market, beautiful breakout short trade here. This morning we had this consolidation, as explained to you guys, this consolidation in 4-hour, and explained to my trader breakout. As long as the momentum is bearish, we announce all these trades through live audio commentary just to make sure the traders can squeeze amazing pips. So we had a beautiful pips, and I explained to my trader, just keep banking some profit, moving your stop loss at the bottom, and keep adding more on pullback. So most of the traders really enjoy from last 2 days banking pips, especially on EURUSD, pound dollar, pound yen, and pound Swiss franc. All right, let me share with you the pound dollar analysis. If you look at the pound dollar analysis, okay, from yesterday we had this symmetric triangle pattern breakout, and if you look at this candle, this is the bearish engulfing candle, price nicely broken, and we will keep taking a short trade. Most of the pullback short trade from yesterday, even today we have this breakout and we keep taking a pullback short trade here. So we bank amazing profit. We had many short trades on pullbacks. So let me share with you guys how I analyze market in intraday and bank some profit, as you can see here. And let me share with you from yesterday. Okay, so from yesterday we had, as you can see here, this is the triangle pattern which I just mentioned you in 4-hour. We have this breakout after this bearish engulfing candle. We have this breakout, as you can see here, and afterwards, as long as the momentum is bearish, price is below the 200 EMA, I explained to my trader to keep taking a pullbacks. We announce all these trades, pullback, first target hit, final target hit, explain to my trader, bank some profit, and look for another pullback. So that was the yesterday trade. And afterwards, at the New York session, you can see here another beautiful, explain to my trader, first priority would be the pullback short based on the momentum. We have another pullback, keep taking it, bank some profit. And this morning, if you look at here, this morning we were expecting this breakout, price developed this consolidation, as you can see, in 4-hour. And this is the intraday system. Price refused. We had a beautiful breakout. As soon as the price hit to the first target, explain to my trader, bank some profit and look for another pullback. So once we bank some profit and afterwards price develop another pattern, you can see here we bank some profit. Previous analysis, I explained to my trader, wait for the another pattern to be developed. So you can see here another pattern is developed. Afterwards breakout, and we were watching in 4-hour. As soon as the price broken the previous low, I explained to my trader, we announce all these trades through live audio commentary, just keep taking a pullback as long as the momentum is bearish. So you can see here, we New York session, we were short from here, from yesterday. We keep taking all these trades towards the momentum, towards the trend, through live audio commentary support, through 4-hour analysis, bank amazing profit on pound dollar. All right, so let's move on to the dollar CAD. Dollar CAD, we had a interesting trade this morning. If you look at the 4-hour chart, we were short because yesterday we were long after this candle. You can see here price nicely respected here. explain to my trader, look for this breakout pattern, breakout of the price result. We keep taking a pullback. This afternoon we have this breakout and bank beautiful pips. Let me share with you the intraday analysis, how I analyze market both in London morning and at the New York session. Okay, so if you look at from yesterday, this is the analysis when the price reverse from this level. So explain my trader, if the price gonna break, and then we're gonna be taking, because price refused to maintain this previous low level, and that's what we explained to trader. First priority pullback, otherwise breakout, and this is the breakout one trade and pullback. And afterwards I explained to my trader, just keep taking a pullback long trade. Here again you had the New York session. Explain to my trader, we already have this breakout from here, bank beautiful pips, and another analysis as soon as the price broke on this one. As you can see here, price came back and retest at this level in intraday. This is the beautiful, you can see momentum was developing bullish, price previously broken after the breakout, pull back long, beautiful. We bank amazing profit yesterday at the New York session and the London morning session, and today this morning you have this consolidation, price develop another pattern here. So we have this breakout, bank some profit, and afterwards at the New York session, as always, after this breakout, bank some profit. And once the price develop double top, explain to trader, it's time to bank some profit and look for another pullback. So you can see here, as explained to my trader, look for pullback at this level exactly. Price develop another pullback, momentum is bullish, beautiful, dollar was in strength, and beautiful breakout and pullback long trade as soon as the price hit first target, second target, and that's what I explained to my trader, it's time to enjoy PP. You can see from yesterday we were long on dollar CAD, bank beautiful pips, we were short on pound dollar, and EURUSD bank amazing profit. Today the best trade we had it, that was the Kiwi dollar. That was a pretty straightforward. This, as soon as the price broke on this one, this explained to my trader, look for this breakout. And if you look at the intraday, let me share with you the intraday. We had a beautiful breakout trade. You can see here, this is the analysis, beautiful breakout this morning and still holding. We haven't seen any green candle. Explained to my trader, as long as we don't see the green candle, just holding it. So amazing profit. Most of the trades, you can see every single trade, even dollar yen, we had a beautiful breakout. You can see, explain to my trader, look for this breakout because the momentum is developing bullish, dollar is getting stronger. You can see that was a beautiful breakout, another beautiful long trade, amazing profit. Even pound Swiss franc, we had amazing breakout trade. If you look at it from pound Swiss franc, even from yesterday, from here we were short here, beautiful, man. You can see here, explain to my trader, just keep taking a pullback. You can see here from yesterday, beautiful breakout, pullback, and then afterwards pullback. So we were short from all the cable pairs, and most of the traders bank amazing 100, even one of the traders banked 333 pips yesterday. All right guys, I hope you enjoy all this analysis. As always mentioned guys, you should be watching those analysis in the real time. That's the important part of it. That's why you're going to bank pips in real time, and the most important thing is you're going to develop your trading skill in real time through live intraday analysis and through live audio commentary. And once you develop your trading skill, then I can help you to get funded. If you are interested how I help my traders through live training education, through the live intraday analysis, and how I help them to get funded, feel free. I'm offering free one-to-one consultation. My availability calendar link is also given in the video description. Myself or one of my professional team member can help you and will show you how you can become a successful trader and get funded. Or even if you're an experienced trader, you have seen this is purely price action trading, and I'm pretty sure you're going to enjoy pipping alongside with my other traders. So most welcome. Join my fast trade growing trader community. Once again, thank you for watching this video. Have a nice evening, and until next time, all the best.